In this tutorial, we'll learn how to review available pre-built workbook content using the Content Explorer Workbook in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. The Content Explorer Workbook provides a comprehensive view of Oracle-delivered analytics content, allowing users to easily find available reports, metrics, and subject areas. This can improve content governance, tracking across releases, and lays the groundwork for creating custom workbooks. In this scenario, I'm a functional administrator supporting a new reporting initiative. My organization needs to evaluate which delivered analytics workbooks are available for accounts payable and purchasing processes. I can use the Content Explorer to quickly identify relevant pre-built workbooks and discover the metrics and subject areas. Then, I'll review the list of available workbooks to determine if they meet our business needs before developing any new custom reports. I will begin on my homepage and use the search bar to open the Content Explorer workbook. I'll then click Preview. The Content Explorer workbook provides a unified view of all delivered analytics content available in Oracle FDI. Each canvas in this workbook shows the various elements of the available content curated by Oracle. The first canvas, Your Activations, displays which functional areas are currently activated across Fusion CX, ERP, HCM, and SCM analytics in my Oracle FDI environment. The Subject Areas canvas provides a comprehensive list of all available subject areas and how they are organized by application or functional area. Each subject area has a description and the associated facts and dimensions folders, metrics, and columns that can be used to create visualizations and custom workbooks. Since I'm interested in the purchasing and accounts payable functional areas, I can use the dashboard filter to narrow down the list of Fusion ERP Analytics subject areas. In the Metrics canvas, I can see the full list of quantifiable measures used to track, assess, and analyze business performance. Notice that my dashboard filter selection is reflected in my current canvas and carries over to all canvases in this workbook. I can see all metrics related to accounts payable and purchasing functional areas. The Key Metrics canvas shows me the curated best practices to evaluate business performance. These can be used in custom workbooks to create visualizations, monitor key performance indicators, all without needing to build custom calculations. The Business Questions canvas displays a list of common business questions that can be answered using the relevant subject area. Here, I see the list of business questions related to accounts payable and purchasing, and which subject area I should use to answer those questions. I will move on to Compare Releases next and return to the Workbook canvas later. The Compare Releases canvas shows the changes in the delivered analytics content, such as new functional areas, metrics, and subject areas across different Oracle FDI releases. Since I'm a recent customer, I don't have prior releases for comparison. I can use the Timeline canvas to see when new workbooks, metrics, or subject areas related to Fusion ERP were introduced in Oracle FDI. This capability enables me to effectively manage and distribute relevant content to the business users in my team. Now, I will explore the Workbook canvas. I can review workbook descriptions, the file paths to locate these workbooks, and decide with my team if we need to build any new custom reports. The Content Explorer enables functional admins to easily discover, analyze, and track delivered analytics content, helping them quickly identify relevant reports, monitor updates across releases, and support effective business reporting. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.